Welcome to the AutoCAD Plant 3D 2016 Structure Modeling course, from Render. In this introductory class we will present the course content and see how it is organized to facilitate learning. Let's get started. This course is organized into 6 modules, which have classes, where we will teach the concepts and commands of AutoCAD Plant 3D in its 2016 version. In the classes we will teach you how to use the program step by step, drawing up project structures. We will also have practical examples, where we will review what was taught in the classes, training and practice the application of commands. In these examples it is important that you watch the video and practice in Plant 3D. Pause the video if necessary, so that the knowledge is fixed and there is no doubt that could hinder your performance later. We also propose complementary exercises for students to do and train their learning, maximizing their potential to use Plant 3D. In the first module, where this lesson is included, we will introduce AutoCAD Plant 3D. We will introduce Plant 3D and its utilities, and take the first steps in using the software, learning how to create a project and a design. In the second module, we will introduce structure modeling, create and edit a grid, and add lines to it. In the third module, we will work with profiles, adding and configuring them. We will also see how to modify and adjust these profiles after insertion into the project. In the fourth module, we will know specific elements of structures, such as protective grills, stairs, boards and shoes. The fifth module we reserve for the practice of what has been learned, through practical examples. And in the sixth and final module, we propose tasks for the student to do, that is, complementary exercises. If you do not already have AutoCAD Plant 3D software, purchase it, as it is of paramount importance that you practice during the course. Please note that Render does not provide the software with the course. And so we finish this first class, where we present the organization of the course and its content. Render wants a great learning experience. Render, who knows, teaches.